Welcome back to the KUAM Morning News on Fox 14. In studio with us this morning, we've got Jasmine Kyle from the SCK Humane Society, and this is Forrest.
Yes, isn't he a cutie? He's so sweet. So yeah, this is Forrest. Forrest is a little under 2 months old. He has 4 siblings.
Oh, wow.
Forrest being for Forrest Gump. There are 3 boys, 2 girls. Forrest, Lieutenant Dan, Bubba, and then our 2 girls, of course, are Jenny and Carla. Now, sadly, these guys were dumped into the county, surrendered to animal control, which we got the call for. And we, of course, took the kids into our no-kill facility. So right now, the biggest thing for them right now is looking for homes, because a shelter is in no way a life for any dog, but it's extremely hard for puppies. So what we'd really like to see is if you are interested in fostering or even fostering to adopt. So with fostering to adopt, you are taking that potential adoptability for that dog of raising them in your own home. You get to know that dog, you get to grow up with the dog. And then, for example, once Forrest reaches 3 months of age, he would be neutered next. And then after a week of surgical hold, which can be right back at your household, he would be cleared for adoption. So if you're looking for a dog, especially a puppy, and want to see how it works, this is the perfect moment for you.
Right.
Because no matter—
there's 5 to pick from.
Yeah, there's 5 to pick from. And if it doesn't work out, if you change your mind, you know, once that time comes, it's absolutely fine. You know, they got to live outside of the shelter. We're able, you know, to share your stories and share your photos of that puppy in your home. And that way people, I can't tell you how much that changes adoptions at every shelter within the United States, is to see them growing up with kids and seeing them on your couch. And if you're not adopting, then it makes potential adopters look at that dog and dream of that dog on their couch, dream of that dog interacting with their kids, being like, I want that dog for my family. That's my family dog, right? So no matter what, whether that's regular fostering or fostering to adopt, it helps not only your family, it helps these dogs for their future.
Yeah. Now, you guys have new hours.
Yes.
That we want to talk about.
Yes, so that is going to be brand new. So we are returning from the whole pandemic. So we will be open now 5 days a week, which is super exciting. We'll be closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and then we'll be open Thursdays through Mondays. That's going to be effective May 4th. Of course, Star Wars Day. So we have a really cool partnership with Bizzle, which we're going to be releasing here soon for an adoption special in May. And then on Star Wars Day, if you adopt from our facility, you get a brand new Star Wars dog toy too.
Oh, cool.
From Chewy.
May the 4th be with you.
Yes.
Yes. Well, that'll be good. 5 days a week, that'll be awesome.
Yes, we're super excited for the public to come out, for volunteers to get started, but that is going to be effective May 4th.
Well, if you're interested in fostering, do you have the pictures of all 5 of them up on your website?
We
Or
do
Facebook?
not. Yeah, we do on Facebook. We're actually going to be posting about them today. Today's kind of their first grand reveal to the public. So you will see that on our Facebook. You'll see our email and how you can contact us. You can sign up for fostering online, the whole 9 yards.
All right, that sounds wonderful. Well, thank you so much for coming in. We'll see you in a couple weeks. And we'll be right back.